Great location, staff friendly. Corridors at lovely and clean. Room tidy, ultimate in basic. Bathroom terrible, couldn't backslash turn around. Sat on the toilet and feet were in the shower. Room badly needing refurbishment. No TV or tea/coffee.
It was very hot, London in June, with no fan and with window open. Street noise stopped after 1 a.m. I slept very badly.
The location is absolutely superb, right in the heart of London, just 100 meters away from Trafalgar Square. The staff were friendly and helpful. We checked in early in the morning and checked out late the following day. We could store our luggage for the time we could not yet and no longer use the room.
The accommodation is very basic only. The room was clean and sufficiently large, but lacked any atmosphere or style. No light that could be switched on from the beds and a very tiny shower and toilet cabin only. For our one night of stay it was acceptable but absolutely not a hotel
The
standard.
best location in London. You can reach Charing Cross Station, Temesa River and Trafalgar Square in 5 minutes walking. London Eye, Buckingham Palace and Westminster Abbey in 10 minutes walking. Cheapest option, London is always so expensive.
The night I stayed was hot and there was little air in the room. Not easy to sleep in these conditions. Would appreciate a bedside table or shelf. Bedside light was not functioning.